In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save WhatsApp audio on your phone. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top corner, then go to Settings. From here, tap on Storage and Data. Now you'll see different options for media auto download. Make sure you enable the option for audio so that WhatsApp automatically downloads audio files to your device. Tap OK to confirm. Now, when someone sends you an audio message, it will be saved on your phone. To find it, open your File Manager and go to your device storage. Then open the WhatsApp folder, go to Media, and tap on WhatsApp Audio. Here, you'll find all the audio files you've received on WhatsApp. And that's it. That's how you can easily save and access WhatsApp audio on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.